Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Fairywill electric water flosser, something that I've just recently received and have been trying out for about a week now. It's really good, it's so handy. It comes with the big capacity water tank at the back. So here is the actual electric water flosser and this is the whole capacity which holds water. It has minimal noise, it is power pulsation and it's intelligent control technology. So when you use the water flosser, there is the on and off button just here, and there are 3 settings: clean, soft and massage. My favourite setting is the massage. It's the most delicate on your gums, but you literally just go tooth by tooth and just water floss, and it's so easy to use. It's quick, it's less painless, but I really love it. I've been using it for about a week like I just said, and I've had no issues so far. So Fairywill water flosser.